In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a link preview in Microsoft Loop. Let's start with what a link preview is and why it's useful. In Microsoft Loop, when you paste a web address, Loop often recognizes it and turns it into a rich preview card. Instead of a bare URL, you'll see a cleaner visual with the page title, a short description, and sometimes a thumbnail image. This is called unfurling, and it helps your page look more polished while giving your team quick context at a glance. First, copy the URL you want to share. This could be the web address from your browser's address bar or a link you've copied from another app. Make sure you've got the full link and that it points to a page that you want others to recognize immediately. Next, head to your Loop page and paste the URL exactly where you want it to appear. A helpful tip here is to paste the link on its own line, not squeezed into a sentence or surrounded by other characters. When the link stands alone, Loop is more likely to detect it and transform it automatically. Give it a second or two after pasting. If the website supports rich previews, Loop will convert it into a card with the title, description, and, where available, an image. If you see only a plain link, it may mean the site doesn't support unfurling, your network is still catching up, or the link is behind a sign-in screen that Loop can't preview. If the preview doesn't appear automatically, or you want to control how the link looks, you can change its appearance. Right-click the link, or highlight it to bring up the context options. Choose Link Options, then look for Link Preview. Select that to tell Loop to display the link as a preview card instead of plain text. This is especially handy when Loop didn't unfurl the link on its own, or when you changed your mind and want a richer visual. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If the preview doesn't show up right away, wait a moment or move your cursor off the line and back again. Confirm that the URL is valid and publicly viewable, because private or restricted links might only show as plain text. And remember, placing the link on its own line is the most reliable way to trigger the preview. That's all there is to it. Copy the link, paste it into your Loop page on its own line, and, if needed, use Link Options to enable Link Preview. It's a simple way to make your Loop pages clearer, cleaner, and more informative.